And welcome back. Can you guess the animal by emoji? Hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Here is first question. Which is this animal? It's seahorse. Can you guess this animal? It's chipmunk. How about this one? It's cranefly. Do you know what animal is this? It's jellyfish. Any ideas? It's monkey. This is your next challenge. Can you guess the animal? It's deer. Which animal is this? Excellent, it's butterfly. How about this one? It's dolphin. Can you guess this animal? Superb! It's bulldog. Can you guess this one? Excellent! It's elephant. What's the name of this animal? It's swordfish. How about this one? It's kingfisher. This is your next challenge. Any ideas? It's hornbill. Guess the animal. It's golden retriever. Do you know what animal is this? It's gorilla. Any ideas? It's jackal. Now guess this one. It's fox. Let's get to the next one. It's reindeer. Any ideas? It's blowfish. What animal is this? Badger. Let's get to this one. Any ideas? It's orangutan. What animal is this? It's donkey. Can you guess this one? It's sheepdog. What animal is this? It's swan. How about this one? It's panda. Now guess this one. It's lady beetle. Let's get to the next one. Can you guess this animal? It's caterpillar. This is your next challenge. Can you guess the animal? It's earthworm. What animal is this? Hamster. Next challenge. Can you guess this one? It's snail. What animal is this? It's tiger. How about this one? It's eagle. What animal is this? It's crickets. Can you guess this one? It's rhino. How about this one? It's wolf. Here is your next challenge. Any ideas? It's catfish. Can you guess this one? It's bear. It's anteater. What animal is this? It's sea lion. This is your last challenge. Can you guess this one? It's turkey. Pick up your next challenge. Like, share and subscribe for more quizzes. Thanks for watching.